I plan to show how I withdraw my money, so don't miss this opportunity. Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, which means we are going to trade on support and resistance levels as well as uptrends, downtrends and other patterns and situations on the market. Guys, I want to remind you that I use 15 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market, and I plan to open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything depends on the situation. And I want to tell you that I work only on those situations which I know best and I feel confident with. And also, guys, I have $55 on my deposit today and I plan to make it around $8,000. Well, if I will reach it and if I will achieve it, I'm going to show you how I withdraw my money. But first, guys, we have to earn this money. So let's go. So guys, let's set a horizontal line along the lower values of these candles. At the same time, we also see that there was a good confident downtrend here. After the first touch of the support level, there was an upward pullback, and now after a pullback from a certain point, the price has turned around. At the moment, the price is moving down and approaching our level. And in this situation, is just opening a deal with a 3-minute margin for a downtrend. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level because the price has an excellent downward potential. The main price highs are also getting lower. At the same time, I took 3 minutes with a margin, taking into account the possible consolidation. And as you understand, even with the upward movement, the price can roll back up. At the same time, the price may also fall into the consolidation zone, and it is with all these movements we took this time. As a rule, in most cases in such situation, this time is enough. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, guys, that's great. And as you can see, after a slight upward pullback, the downward movement continued and a confident red candle was formed. And I managed to earn on this downward movement. 3 minutes was enough for us. At the same time, we also see that the price has reached the level, and at the moment there is some kind of tightening. At the same time, we'll see that the price is already slowly starting to go beyond the level, and this means that it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future. So guys, I will watch the price a little bit and maybe we'll open the next deal here. Just opening the next deal here for just 1 minute to sell. As we can see, a red candle has formed after a slight fading. At the same time, it confidently went beyond the level. This means that the support level is currently being broken through. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. Perhaps I will also get into the downward impulsive of the price itself at the very moment of breaking through the level. As a rule, 1 minute is also quite enough in such situations. I hope that this time I will be able to earn on this downward movement, guys. So let's wait for the result. Great, my dear traders, as you can see, the level has indeed been breached. This is where we got the profit. 1 minute was enough for us, and as you can see, we have correctly managed to predict the further price movement at all stages of its formation. And this once again proves that all the market situations are periodically repeated, and our task is only to recognize them and to open the deal with our decision made. Guys, more practice and you will be able to make the same thing. So guys, let's continue. So we have a support level down here. At the same time, we also see that after touching the level, there was an upward pullback. And now after the pullback, the price has reversed and is approaching our level. At the same time, we also see that the overall price potential is going down. The main price highs are also getting lower. In this situation, that's just opening a 2-minute downtrend deal. At the moment, there is some kind of preloading of the level. This means that it is quite possible that it will continue to move towards the level in the near future, and it is also quite possible that this level will be breached. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. So guys, let's wait for the result. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. So my dear traders, as you can see, the price got into the consolidation zone and moved in a certain range. But the closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. This means that we got the profit here. We will open the next deal here. We will go down for 2 minutes. As we can see, the support level hasn't been broken yet, but at the same time, the price continues to move in the consolidation zone. At the same time, the price highs became lower. This means that it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Just at the moment, guys, we can see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level. That is, confident red candlesticks are beginning to form. We'll try to make money on this downward movement. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, that's great, guys. It's not bad at all. As you can see, I have again correctly predicted the further price movement. First, we worked on bringing the price closer to the level and then on the breakdown of the support level. These situations work out perfectly for us. Well, everything is not going bad, guys. And let's continue our trading session. We have a level of support here. We also see that the price is starting to go beyond it. Let's open a 1 minute downgrade deal here. We can see that the support level is breaking through right now. It is on this downward movement on breaking through the level that we will try to make money. You already know that in such situations 1 minute is quite enough. Perhaps I'll also get into the impulsive downward movement of the price itself at the very moment of breaking of the level. And after all, I also see that the price here doesn't have a bad downward potential. I hope that 1 minute is enough. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. Although the price has slowed down, the downward movement has continued and we got the profit here. 1 minute was just enough for us. In any case, the support level has been breached. But most importantly, I have managed to earn on this movement just at the moment that confident impulsive red candle has formed. This means that our technical analysis was still correct. So guys, we have a resistance level at the top here, and I can see that there was an uptrend here and the price moved in waves. At the same time, the main price lows are also updated. They became higher. That is, the price is approaching our level and there is some kind of tightening in this situation. I was just opening a deal for 2 minutes to buy. It is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future, but I also took 2 minutes to spare. This is the time, take into account the possible consolidation and pull back down, since it is more likely that after the formation of green candlesticks, a reaction will occur from the resistance level. That is, there may be a slight downward pullback, and only after the pullback the price will turn around and continue to move up again. And only after that this level will be broken, guys. There's also a part in the market. We are witnessing something similar now. I hope that this time our technical analysis will be correct and I will be able to earn on this moment. Well, guys, let's wait for the result. Great, guys. As you can see, after the pullback, the upward movement continued and we got the profit. This level has indeed been breached and I have correctly managed to predict the further price movement. And of course, we earned on breaking through the resistance level. Guys, as you can see, my strategy works well. Let's continue, guys. So we have a resistance level at the top here. At the same time, we also see that the price was moving up quite confidently. At the same time, at the moment, the price has entered the consolidation zone and is moving in a certain range. That is, when the price approached the level, a certain attenuation occurred. But at the same time, we also see that there's still space to reach the resistance level. Let's try to open a deal with you here for 2 minutes to increase the uptrend. because the price has recently had a great potential to increase. It is more likely that it will continue to move towards to the level in the near future. We'll try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 2 minutes in such case is totally enough, even taking into account possible consolidation or a pullback. Just at the moment, the red candle has formed, but I hope that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. Guys, let's wait for the result. Great, my dear traders. As you can see, the after pullback, the price turned around and confident impulsive green candles were formed. The resistance level has indeed been breached. I have managed to make money by breaking through the resistance level. As you can see, these situations work out perfectly well. Meanwhile, I already have $4,500 on deposit, and I suggest opening one more deal for today. I think I will achieve my trading goal, and let's continue, guys. Here we can see that there was a good confident uptrend. There is also a resistance level at the top. After touching the level, there was a pullback down. And after a pullback from a certain point, we see that the price turned around and at the moment is approaching our level again. At the same time, we also have the overall price potential is going up, and the main price lows are getting higher. In this situation, it's just opening a deal with a 3-minute margin to buy following the uptrend. For sure, the price will continue to move towards the level. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I also took time of 3 minutes with the margin, take into account possible consolidation. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price has continued to move towards the level and we got the profit here. Once again, I have correctly predicted the further price movement. 3 minutes was just enough for us. Well, meanwhile, I already have more than $8,500 on my deposit, and I suggest we finish here. And since I managed to achieve my goal, guys, let's make a withdrawal request. So select from the list finance section, then click withdrawal. After that, I get to the withdrawal menu. So here I want to withdraw my funds to my bank card. In the next column, we need to enter the amount that we will withdraw. I will write $8,650 here. Then in the next column, I need to insert my card details. This is the card number itself as well as the expiration date. But of course, I will hide all my personal data. So guys, after we have filled in all the lines, we check again whether everything is filled in correctly. And if there are no errors, then we can click on the confirm button. Well, guys, great. As you can see, our application has been accepted. This means that in the near future, it will be reviewed by the finance department of the Pocket Option platform. Accordingly, immediately after that, this amount will be credited to my bank card. And as you can see, there's nothing complicated about that. Everything is simple and easy. Guys, this is the end of our trading session. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope now you feel more confident in terms of how to withdraw your money. Well, as you can see, everything is simple and quick. And also, my dear traders, I hope that you already subscribed to this channel. I hope that you already put a big thumbs up to this video. And also, I hope that you already turned off the notification button. Also, my dear traders, I have exclusive community where I share my trading signals, and if you want to get them, guys, super easy, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram and you will get it. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.